Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer your account to a new device on eFootball. Alright, let's begin. First, open the eFootball app on your old device and tap on the Extras section at the top of the screen. From here, select the Support feature. Make sure your account data is linked to your old device through your Konami ID. This step is important to ensure that all your progress and settings are saved for transfer. Next, open the eFootball app on your new device and tap on the menu icon. In the menu, select the Data Transfer feature. Here, choose the option Transfer Data Linked with Konami ID. Sign in using the same Konami ID that is linked to your old device. Once signed in, the system will automatically transfer your account data, including progress, settings, and any purchased content, to the new device. This method ensures a smooth transition without losing your game progress or data. Make sure both devices are connected to the internet during the process for a successful transfer. So that's basically how you can transfer your account to a new device on eFootball. That's it for this video. Thanks.